Welcome to the PVA stand here at SMT Connect. I'm joined by Pieter Van der Vorst. Nice to see you, Peter.
Yes, thank you.
So we're standing here in front of your Delta 6, which is one of your workhorse dispensers. So tell us about some of the key features we're looking at here, because this one is demonstrating, I'm guessing, the ability to work with warped boards.
Exactly. So Delta 6 is one of the mostly sold platforms that we do. So we have a range of platforms depending on the customer need.
Yeah.
So this is a showcase showing more like SMT related tasks. So the valve setup that you see is something that we have configured for our lab needs. So it's not really a customer specific, but it's more like a lab need. So we see an auger valve, we see a jet valve, we see a needle valve. Needed for, I would say, SMT related, like solder paste, epoxies, glues, and solder materials. So what you see is like more 3D profiling in this machine, that it measures by tools that are in there, like the profile of the subject.
Yes.
And it follows it with every product that comes in. So you might have a different warpage on the next one coming in, so it follows the guides that we gave it to do 3D profiling.
So it works out. So it takes the fiducials off of the board and then works out the profile of the board. Is that how it works?
The fiducials are there to position it, to analyze the positioning and the warpage. But the laser and the touch probe that's in there will analyze the 3D profiling tools to make it work.
Okay, excellent. So as you say, you've got some demonstration valves on here at the moment, but you know the benefit of dispensing companies is to have a wide range of valves. And I see you've got a selection down below here, which shows the wide range of valves that you do. Do you want to talk about some of these?
So here you see like a wide range of valves that are used for conformal coating. So we've been developing by ourselves like the spray valve technologies, like the normal spray, the wide spray, the film coat technology. This is something rather new to fill the full range. So a normal spray valve would do something like from 4 to 12 millimeter.
Yep.
There was a gap somewhere starting from 2 millimeters up. So this one fills that gap. From 2 to 6 millimeters. So we call this an ultra fine. So you still have a kind of a sharp edge definition, which is by many customers said it's not doable, but I can be confident that we can do it actually with a UF valve.
Okay.
So yeah, we continue to develop actually the valve technologies throughout town, depending on the need. So what comes up.
Okay. You also have the ability, there's some applications coming in more and more, especially in thermal applications where you're getting two-part materials. They sometimes have these materials in drums at the back of the machine, and then they're pumped in to the head from behind the machine.
Right.
Are you working much with that? Is that common in this part of the world?
Well, every customer has their own need on the material. Not only the dispensing part, but also like on the material supply, like you told. So we see all kind of requests actually passing by, like container direct, cartridge, syringe. So all kind of supply is asked, and where we study with them to find the right solution for them. Right.
So you're based in Netherlands. The company is headquartered, I believe, in US.
Yes.
So when you get an alternative application like a two-part material, does that go to the US for qualification, or does it come to do that in Netherlands?
PVA tries to have like exactly same capabilities in each lab in the world. So of course the main lab is in the US. Yeah. But they have tried to broadcast to the world, look, we can do any test anywhere in the world. So our lab is pretty much equipped also for 2K testing. Yeah.
Good, excellent. Okay, and then of course you've got the Delta 8. What's the difference between the Delta 6 and the Delta 8?
Actually, the platform are pretty much similar. As the only big difference is the work area. So the 6 is pretty much around 500 by 500, where the 8 is pretty much like 600 by 600. But the Flex series, they go up in size, so we can almost build any size to any wish of the customer.
Right, so the Flex series is obviously for flexible materials and different substrates that you're working
so
with.
it's a concept that we use to customize with the customer on the need. So we are pretty much flexible on designing with the customer an exceptional design on the need. So.
Great. Excellent. Okay, well, thank you for giving us a walkthrough on the PVA equipment over here, Pieter, and we wish you every success with it in the future.
Thank you very much.